Washes them one way for like 4 seconds, stops, washes them the other way. And then the timer's here. One for about 15 minutes, you know. And then you turn it off. And then you drain it. Then you fill it again. I fill it with cold water. This is hot water in the beginning. And then you drain that with the softener in it. And you can rinse it again and drain it again. And then you switch it over into here, which spins. Put the clothes in there, push it down, and the centrifugal force from the spinning drives for about 85%. It's got a timer as well. So it's pretty efficient. You can see the dirt coming out. Yeah, $65. Can't beat it. Washing in your own damn house.